When we came over to Granite Bay, PG&E, I was expecting a bigger bill, but I wasn't expecting 4 to 5x increase.
PG&E is a pain, but it was getting up there. I was paying like $500 a month, which is ridiculous.
And also with price almost gouging by PG&E. After getting solar installed, watching how dramatically different our bill is crazy, honestly. I didn't think it would be that much of a difference, but a little under $400. And it cut into a quarter after getting solar installed. I think it was maybe a few dollars over 100. It was crazy.
Made me even more confident that I made the right choice. The fact that you guys been in the business for 15 years, that shows me you're doing something right. The thing that kind of swayed me away from Tesla was the fact that I wasn't sure if something went wrong, who I would be dealing with. Because I've heard that they subcontract out a lot of their jobs. So with Westhaven, one-stop shop, gone with Westhaven just based on the fact that I know it's local. You guys been in business for a long time. I got a notification from PG&E about my new July bill is live. And one particular line grabbed my attention. It said your July bill in 2025 is $872 less than July 2024. I took a screenshot of that, sent it to all my friend circles and say, take that PG&E.
Westhaven Power helped me get my bill from $800 a month down to $50 a month. The fact that Westhaven helped me get my energy bill down from what it was to what I'm at now.
You're living a better life.
Much better, much better.
Awesome.
I can afford to eat.
My true up is probably going to be $30, if that, when I do my true up. So I'm only paying sometimes like $15 a month. So who could complain about that? It never gets old. It's always the best.
But you know, they installed, I believe it's like 36 panels. They did a great job. And one of the things is when you drive up to the house, I don't know how they manage that, but you don't see a single panel.
That's right.
From in terms of the curb appeal or whatnot,
Yeah, your house.
no impact at all. Addition of a battery pack totally changes the game. During the night, the battery pack we have services the whole house. During the day, we keep it at 100% because the solar is producing enough.
My system is working absolutely great. It's super reliable. And with you guys, if I have any problems, sometimes I've looked at like the app and I'm confused and I call and you guys explain it to me and I know everything's fine. 5 years later, my system is still performing perfectly.
Fully believe that you got to go with somebody local. You got to go with somebody who's been in business a long time. You have to go with somebody who owns the process A to Z.
Because of Westhaven Power, I've saved thousands of dollars on my electric bill. Westhaven Power made everything easy from start to finish. I strongly recommend Westhaven Power to anyone thinking of solar. Going solar with Westhaven Power was the best decision. The installation was fast and completely hassle-free.
It just felt easy. Westhaven Power made solar simple and stress-free. From day one, Westhaven Power handled everything for us. Our electric bills dropped immediately after getting solar. Westhaven's team was professional and friendly.